Good afternoon all. I am Disha Agarwal, B.Ed first year student, Government Government College of Education, Akola. So today I will teach you mathematics of class 8. So today I ask some basic question to know about previous knowledge of student. So do you know what is constant? Okay, constant is that 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Or do you know about variable? Variable, an element that is liable to vary or change. It is called variable. That is x, y, which is applied to our equation. Now, what is equation? Tell me anyone. What is equation? When the statement have both the constant and variables, it is called equation. Look at that. Now come now what is a linear equation? Okay, so today we will study about linear equation. Okay. Tell me, how do you write 2 is multiplied with x? 2 is multiplied with x. It is written by 2x. Now if you want to add some variables, so 2x plus y, it is written by this type of equation. And if you want to subtract from 2x plus y, what is written this? 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. 2x plus y equals to, it is transferred to RHS. It is change our sign. Okay, how do you get value of x and y? How do you get the value of x and y? It is problematic question. So today we will study linear equation of variable. So linear equation, what is linear equation? Do you know about? So the linear algebraic expression when connected the sign of equality are known as linear equation. For example, 2x plus y equals to 5. It is linear algebraic expression in which variable x and x is index and its power is 1. The number 2. So our equation is 2x plus 3 equals to y. So the number of 2, 3 and 11 is constant. The value of x satisfied both the equation, both the sides. We have two sides, LHS and RHS. So value of x is satisfied both the sides of equation or root. The above equation is satisfied. Value of x, 2x, it is transferred 11 minus 3, x equals to 7, x equals to 7 by 2. So value of x is 7 by 2. So the sign of equality in the equation, it indicates that the sides are balanced. For example, x plus 3 equals to 7. We have to balance equation and find the value of x. So we subtract minus 3 both the equation. Minus 3 equals to 7 minus 3. X plus, it is cut for opposite sign. 7 minus 4 equals to 4. So 4 is satisfied x, value of x. So we subtract. If we add and subtract, multiply or divide on by the sum numbers, then both the sides remain same of the equation. Then that is balanced. Now we have another equation. To solve the question, you have to solve this question. So x equals to 12. We multiply both bracket in bracket. 12x plus 12 into 2. X equals to 12x plus x, it is transferred for same variable, minus 12. X equals to 24 minus 11x equals to 24. So x, value of x is 24 by 11 minus 11. X is satisfied by this number. We perform the same mathematical operation on LHS or RHS of the equality. So the linear algebraic expression when connected by the sign of equality are known as linear equation. Okay, understood? So I give you some questions for revision and some homework questions. Note down the revision question. What is linear equation? How do you know balance on equation on both sides? It is your question. No, balance the equation on both sides. Now, classwork. Solve 3x minus 5 equals to 13. It is your question for solving. 2x plus 7 equals to 10. And homework is 5x minus 2 by 3 equals to 16. 3 by 5 plus x equals to 5. We solve this type of question. 3 by 4 plus 2x equals to 11 by 4. Solve this question. We transfer constant for opposite direction. 2x equals to 11 by 4 minus 3 by 4. It is numerator and it is denominator. Denominator is same. So it is same. 11 minus 3 2x x equals to 11 minus 3 equals to 8 upon 4. It is cut 2x equals to 2. 2 is same, so x equals to 1. So you can solve this question same. Okay, thank you. We will meet tomorrow class.